Jawtooth here. Hey, with this coronavirus thing going on, I'm not going to be able to film a whole lot of new trains, especially travel around the other states. But the good news is I've got tons of videos from about a half a dozen different states that I've never posted. So I'm going to start posting some of those. Check out this video here that I got for today. Got some never before posted scenes to show you. And I'm on my farm right now. I'm not showing from the waist down. I bought some new pants. And I was showing to my wife. I asked her what she thought about my pants. She said, well, it looks like you're going to a custody hearing in Florida. So I took it as a bad sign. I found this turtle out here in my field too. Check this out. This is a big old snapping turtle. I just now found it. Get back from there. Puppy. Come on, get back. Look at the size of that turtle. That's a big snapper. Get back, come on, puppy, get back. Quit. Wow, that's a nice looking one. He's got a bunch of moss and stuff on his back. Might have come out of my pond. And he's headed towards my pond, actually. Wow, look at that. That's a beauty. My pond's over there. He's headed in that direction. All right. We've got some train video, so start the video, son. But wait, there's more. There always is. Wow, they are booking. Woo! I gotta see if I can catch them up here one more time. That was pretty good. Man, they're flying. They got to work Hutamaki still, and they got to go to Claire, so I don't think they can do it all. Here, Jessie. Come here. Come here, Jessie. Let me see you. Let me see your nose. Here, Jessie. 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 Here, Jessie. Jessie. Oh, she got bit by that snapping turtle. Right there. Holy cow. She won't mess with that turtle anymore. There's some geese over there on the island, and they were just hissing at my dogs. There's another one over here. Looks like they're setting. Here we go, folks. Pacing the train here on a Friday afternoon. They are booking. They're going 32, 33 miles an hour. Kind of hard to keep up with them. Man, they were hauling butt through Sardinia. Wow. They haul butt through here, folks. About 30, 35 miles an hour. Wow, they slowed way down for that trestle right there over the Sicily Road. They were booking when they were going alongside Tri-County Highway. I was pacing them at 32 miles an hour. Danny had that train moving. They're in a big hurry to get back to their office late on a Friday afternoon. You know what? Say what you will about Danny. Go ahead. Wow, they're in a hurry today. Wow, they're booking. I paced them at 32 miles an hour between Macon and Sardinia. Westbound. Go, Charlotte!
Stick with it!
Go, 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 go!
Good job, Peyton!
Go, 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 go! Tracy, you're ready!
That was a tractor. Yeah.
This is Sicily Road between Mount Orb and Sardinia. I never see a car on this road, never do. There they go westbound with a bunch of grain and some scrap metal. Thanks for watching, folks. Give me a thumbs up while you're at it. Well, she doesn't like that turtle. It snapped at her, so she took off. Okay, everyone. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up, rate, subscribe, all that stuff. Yeah, go ahead and subscribe. I've been noticing that I just topped 80,000 subscribers. That's pretty cool. That'd be awesome to get to 100,000. So if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do so now. And check out this turtle before you go too. One last look.